In this video, we're going to look at how to build a slot table and how to write values to it. So let's start. So to build a slot table, I'm going to do val slots equals slot table. And then I could print out the contents of a slot table by doing slots dot to debug string. This is an internal command. So if I were to print this out, this is going to print out an empty slot table right now. So suppose I wanted to be able to write things to the slot table and create a group in there. So I'm going to do slots dot write, and then I'm going to get a writer. So then I could do write dot begin insert, writer dot end insert, and in between these two function calls, I could do writer dot start group, and I could give it a key of 100, and I could do writer dot end group. So if I were to print out then what the slot table looks like after doing that, it's going to be slots dot to debug string. So if I were to print that out, it would print out from an empty table to a slot table with a single group. So it would be group with a specific key of 100. It has no nodes. I'll go over later what that means. So node count is 0, size is 1. And it doesn't have any data, so but I could add some data in there by doing writer dot update, and I could add in a value of 1. So this is going to be slots equal 0. It's going to start with an index of 0 for the value, and I have value of 1 in there. And I could also do writer dot update and add a string in there, hello, for example. So it will add it to the slots array right here. So I could do hello. So then I could also add in like parent and child groups. So I could also add in to this group with a key of 100, a child group, which is like this. Going to do writer dot begin or start group, and then I could do writer dot end group. I could give this a key of 200. So then this is going to create a child group. So I'll indent it. So group 200. And no nodes, and the size is 1. And then it's going to be, has no values in its slots, but I could add them. Suppose I were to add basically writer dot update and give it a value, for example, 2. If I were to do that, it's going to basically do slots equal, give it a value starting at index 2. It's going to be 2. So it starts at 2 because this thing here starts at 0. So this is 0, this is 1, and then 2. So it's indexing off of these slots. So that's how you add values to the slot table and add in child and parent groups to it. That's it.